Unit 95, and here we are in Morrison's raising money for the World Scout Jamboree. Today we've raised almost over £400, and not only raising money, we've been meeting our friends, backpacking obviously, and just having fun in general.
We've also been using this experience to strengthen our bonds with the community, to allow us to be able to go to places like Morrison's and Asda's and go and backpack more frequently to help the scouting community in a bigger way. And these are some of the things that we like to encapsulate in the Jamboree experience.
Stop a unit leader moment. Kyle and Bethan, thank you very much for stepping up and organising the video on that day. You could tell I was very busy and asked if you wanted me to if you could sort something out, so I really appreciate that. It really helps a lot, especially with this week and the World Scout camp coming up today when you see this video. So thank you guys for helping out there, and you've done an absolutely amazing job as a unit, Dreigiau'r, mynydd. I'm very, very impressed. We raised over £700 in the end, so well done. And thank you to the community who came and saw us, came and had a chat. Whether you donated or not, it didn't matter. We had a lot of lovely conversations praising how well behaved and how helpful you guys were, Dreigiau'r mynydd. So well done to you. Thank you very much to the community. Thank you very much to Morrison's for letting us come. We've got a couple more coming up in the future, so if you pop in and see us, please say hi and have a chat. We always love to tell people about our adventure. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing everyone real soon.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventure to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.